Ryan, wait. Good job. Oh. You have to go straight, baby. You keep turning to the left.
Because I to the left?
How you know that little button? Move it to the right. Right there. Now go. Try again. Uh-oh. Don't press A, only B. There you go. Good job. Only press B. Don't press A yet. There you go. Good job. Move to the right. To the right, to the right. More. More. There. Now press B. Only B. Let go of the A button, honey. There you go. See? Good job. Ryan, say hi. Hi. What's your name?
Ryan.
When's your birthday? Your birthday is not coming. But when is it? November
November
21st.
21st.
Good job. When's your birthday?
21st.
November 21st.
November 21st.
Good job. How old are you? How old are you? 2? How many is that?
2.
2. Good job. Wow.
It's me.
You want to see you? You can't see you because I'm still recording. Hey, Wyatt. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Wyatt.
How old are you?
4.
Good job.
I don't know.
Okay.